Hi, it's Mike. Today I wanted to give you an update of the Scottsdale market, and I'm going to go into three different parts of the city: the south, an 85257 zip code; the middle, around 85258; and then up north, 85260, just to give you an idea of what's out there. So let me share my screen here. Okay. So this zip code, this is provided by my title company, Alyssa Nago, Driggs Title. The zip code 85257, this is in far south Scottsdale. And what's cool about these graphics and charts is it basically gives you a reading here, seller's market and buyer's market, where actually 30 is a balanced market. And right now in 85257, you can see that we're at a market index of 71, and last month we were at a market index of 66. Now that's probably because we were in the holidays, so fewer people put their homes on the market. And it shows, as of on the 10th, when this was created, that the inventory was 21 homes for sale in this area. So over here on the right hand side, you can see the market profile. Median list price showing at 700,000. You can see it kind of bottomed out right over here, and it's starting to turn down a little bit. Median price of the new listing, 700,000. Price per square foot, 387. Average days on the market going up slightly, 64. Median days, average middle days on the market, 35. Price decreases 48%, meaning many people are overpricing their homes right now. Price increases 5%, meaning they've actually raised their price once they listed it. Relisting their homes, canceling their listing and relisting, 5%. And again, some of that is when people take their home off the market during the holidays, and they just don't want people bothering them. And with the spike in COVID with Omicron. Median rent in the area, $2,900. And the market action, 71, being a strong seller's market again. If we go back over here, a normal balanced market, buyers and sellers being equal, is around 30. And you can see we're over that. So you can just kind of see on this graphic, where we're at with the 7-day average, which is the small check marks here, and then more of a 90-day average, the longer average, which is the solid line. And you can see right now the 7-day average is bumped up, and it started to slow down right before the holidays. And when the COVID, kind of peaks, it seems to slow down a little bit. And then you can kind of see right here the median prices based on square footages, bedrooms, the ages of the home, and how many days on market each of those were. And you can see as you go up in price, you tend to go up in days on market. So that's for the far south Scottsdale, 85257 zip code, single family homes. I'm not going to do condos in this video. So now we're going to go a little further up north into 85258 zip code. Up here, the median list price in 85258 is just about $1.5 million. Right now we're at an even higher market index of over 81. So right around 81. And last month we were at a 72. So this part of the market right here, and this is around McCormick Ranch, this area is much stronger right now, meaning more than anything, probably lower inventory. Again, strong sellers market, more demand, fewer homes. So median list price is $1,499,000. Median price of new listings have come down. So some of the people are putting their homes on the market. And again, there's some less expensive homes in the area, and there's more expensive homes. but the median price of some of the newer listings that have gone on the market are lower. Now, a lot of those homes too are homes that haven't been remodeled, and then the more expensive homes have been updated. Median price $590 a square foot, and again, you can compare that to South Scottsdale, which was under $400 a foot. Average days on the market 52 days, median days on the market 18. Price decreases, 25% of the homes had a price decrease. Price increases, no one at this particular time. Relisted, 8%. Where in South Scottsdale we were 5%. Inventory is going down. Very few homes in that zip code, only 12 homes. Median rent showing at $6,000. Market action, again, strong sellers market. And again, here's the 7-day average chart and the 90-day average chart. And again, basically just see that, right now the market still continues to trend higher. And that's mostly due to this inventory situation and lack of people putting their homes on the market based on COVID. Okay, so now we're going to go further north into 85260. And the average median price here in this zip code, normally when you go further north, it gets more expensive. But right now in this zip code, the average median price is $925,000. Market index of 78, so that's a lower index than the 85258 zip code. And this one, last month was at a 77, so it's still stronger slightly than it was last month as far as the market index. It's still a strong seller's market. And the median list price in this zip code has dropped. You can see where it's gone up and it's come back down a little bit. And the median price of the new listings is $694. Price per square foot, $389. So you can just see, in this zip code, the fact that you have basically a little bit lower price in this particular zip code at this time than you do further south in 85258 zip code. Again, $389 a square foot is the price per square foot. Average days on the market 47. Median days on the market 7. Price decreases 16% have decreased their price. Price increases 16%. So that's pretty interesting that we have as many people increasing their prices as decreasing. And again, I think the market is changing fast, and some people put their homes on the market to sell at really what it's probably worth, and then the market can bump them up where some homes might have sold for over asking price. Relisted, 11% came back on the market. Inventory of homes in 85260 is only 19 homes right now. Median rent, $4,050. Market index, market action again, 78. You can see here the 7-day average has been really volatile on the homes. It's been all over the place price wise. I mean, you could see right here, it went up as far as 1.5 million, and right here it went down to 750,000. And again, the reason that happens is that's just what homes came on the market at the time, and most of those homes are probably smaller, and they're also probably not remodeled or updated. So you can see, on homes on bigger lots, there was a price up here as high as 2.375, and it was absorbed very quickly. It wasn't as old as some of the homes in South Scottsdale. So when you're in South Scottsdale and you go further north, you tend to have newer homes because Scottsdale built newer further north. So it just as it grew north, the homes got newer. I'm going to go and add one more zip code, 85266, which is even a little bit further up there. And what you can see is the homes up in 85266 are even more expensive, but this is the first time now we've seen where we had more of a balanced market. So we're at a market index right here of 54 versus the other ones that were up in the 80s. So what we see from this is as we go up in price, the market index becomes more of a balanced market. Again, 30 being completely balanced, but right now we're hovering right around, the 53s. Median list price $1,675,000. Median list price of the new listings is $895. Price per square foot is $406. Average days on the market, again, they're higher than they are in other parts because of the prices. Median days on the market was 112. Price decreases on 23% of the listings. Price increases on 3%. New listings which were relisted, 10%. Inventory, there's 31 homes for sale right now. Median rent $5,800, and again, your market index at 53 is still in a strong seller's market, but definitely not as strong. I mean, that's almost a balanced market considering where we've been in the other markets for so long. It's so much more balanced than what we would be used to. And this, you can just see in this market index, the 7-day average hasn't been as volatile here as it has been in 85260. And again, you got bigger lots up there, you have more expensive homes, and you can just kind of see the breakdown. And again, look at the price of this home. It's a 2,100 square foot home, and it's on a much smaller lot, where here you got a 6,000 square foot home, on up to 2 acres, 2.5 acres. And again, the longer, the higher the price normally, the more time it stays on the market. So anyway, that was just the market update in Scottsdale. I just wanted to show people what we're experiencing currently. So we're still having extremely low inventory right now. If I go into the Paradise Valley zip code, which is right near to the west of Scottsdale, and the homes are much more expensive, you'll see a much different market index, meaning there's more inventory relative to buyers and sellers. In other words, more of a balanced market. So thanks for watching. Catch us on our next video. We're just out here looking to apply for a job. We'd love to be your real estate agent, have the opportunity to earn your business. Thanks again for watching.